All states hide their secrets with the help of guards, in vaults and in safes, with the help of codes and passwords. Confidential, highly confidential, top secret. Who frightens the governments? Who can encroach upon the state secret? Spies. They are the most important threat to security of any state. They are smart and possess dexterity, ingenuity. They hunt for military, industrial and political secrets. And we hunt for them. We watch spies. We look at their biographies, connections, movements, their employers, the way they weave their webs of intrigue and dexterously pick the locks, how they blow their cover and end up in court. We document the most dramatic stories of their life to tell them to people. That's how the destinies of spies become legends. Greville Wynn and Oleg Penkovsky, Conan Melody and William Fisher, Kim Philby, Aldrich Ames, Anthony Blunt, Sidney Rayleigh, Dushan Popov, Karl Ruddick and, attention, Graham Greene, Ernest Hemingway, Elizabeth Schragmüller, Olga Chekova, Nikolai Gumilov and even Vera Kholodnaya. All these people were spies. All of them led a double life. The fascinating story about spies who had a part to play in the history of states and people. Documentary films from the legendary Spies series.